Finding the perfect speakers just got easier. Introducing the all-new Speaker Fit Guide on Soundoftristate.com. Designed to help you find the right speakers fast. Step 1. Select your make, model per year of your vehicle. Step 2. Choose speaker type. See the best fit for your vehicle, whether it's front, rears, center, a whole system or more. Click the link to browse in stock options that are ready for order and to install. See what fits right from our inventory. No more guessing, no more waiting. Available now on desktop and mobile. Your sound, your style, your fit. Try the new Speaker Fit Guide at Soundoftristate.com.